Good day, seafarers. Today is 20th of July 2026. History has been created by Indian ratings, and thanks to DG Shipping for that. 80 Indian ratings, 40 each in MMTI and at IMU campus, which is port campus called LBS College, are now doing 6 months course. NCV का झंझट खल्लास. अभी सीधा अपने को 36 महीना सी टाइम करने का एग्जाम देने का. So that is how the ratings are now doing in India. I would like to express my gratitude to our nautical advisor in charge, Captain Abul Kalam Azad. सर आपका नाम आजाद है, लेकिन आपने सच्ची में आज हमें उस चीज से आजादी दिलाई. The slavery system which was set up where Indian ratings could not do this in India and get to go to foreign countries, and every year India was losing 50 crore rupees because they had to go outside to get their second exams. Now that is done away with. India is now open, and this particular policy change has been brought in. Special gratitude to Captain Manoj Sahu. Sir, आप जहाज पे सेल कर रहे हैं, आप इंडियन रेटिंग, आप कैप्टन बने, you are sailing on a container ship. Thanks to you. Thanks to our Captain Dubey from MMTI, whose institute is now approved for this. Thanks to our seafarers who kept motivating me, because मैं 1 जनवरी 2026 को अपना LinkedIn पे लिखा था, ये मेरा न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन था कि इंडियन रेटिंग शुड बी अलाउड टू अपीयर फॉर एग्जाम्स in India without this NCV route, which was zigzag route. FOSMA, your support has been very vital. But Captain Panigrahi, आपने बहुत समय दिया सिलेबस बनाने के लिए और बाकी चीजें करने के लिए, लेकिन इसकी बैकबोन रही हमारी नूसी में कैप्टन हमारे मिलिंद साहब जो हैं, तो आपने पूरा जोर लगाया कि हमारे बच्चे जो रेटिंग्स हैं वो भी कैप्टन बने. सो आई रियली फील द हिस्ट्री हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. This batch of 80 who are NUSI members will actually show the pathway for many others. New regulations will even allow people from arts, science, commerce with 36 months seat time in India to do their second maths exam, because seat time everything is well settled with the e-governance system. Lastly, 2 lakh rupees will be given as reward to all those ratings who pass their second maths exams from India by Seafarer Welfare Fund Society. Jai Hind, Jai Navik.